Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of the audio service is not running in Windows 7. So if you go to the taskbar over this audio icon, and if you see this message, the audio service is not running, then the way to fix this issue is just click on the start button, go to the search bar and type services. Click on the search result services. And now in this list of services, just search for Windows Audio. So here it is, Windows Audio. Just right click over it, click on properties, and now just change the startup type from disable to automatic. After this, just click on the apply button and click on the start button to start the service. Click on the OK button. Now close this window, and now you can see that the issue is now fixed. So this is how you can fix the issue of the audio service is not running in Windows 7. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.